Welcome to our guide on how to fix Messenger notifications not working on your PC. If you're facing issues with notifications, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, try refreshing the Messenger web page. This simple step can help reset the notification system and ensure you receive alerts as intended. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Head to your browser's support website for detailed instructions on how to clear these stored data. This can often resolve notification issues related to browser settings. If notifications are still not working, log out of Messenger Desktop and then log back in. Sometimes re-establishing the connection can fix notification glitches. Another effective method is restarting your device. Turn it off, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and potentially restore notification functionality. If the issue persists, try connecting to a different network or using mobile data. Sometimes the network connection can impact notification delivery, so switching networks may help. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix Messenger notifications not working on your PC. Don't miss important updates and messages. Get your notifications back on track with these simple solutions.